Hey, what's up guys? It's X2Robbie2X here, and I am back with some Minecraft modding made easy. And I know I told you guys that we'd be going over solar panels and solar traps and clocks. And oopsie, what did I just do? And trust me, I have that all planned out, but it's not time yet. There's a lot of questions about two things that I get. Yeah. And I want to go over those before we actually get to the solar redstone stuff. So I'm going to have two quick tutorials. This one is going to be on how to organize your textures in your mod. And two, we're going to be doing, the second one's going to be how to recompile and reobfuscate your mod so you can give it up for distribution. Because apparently a lot of people don't get this. So I might as well just make a little tutorial. So, first of all, the first tutorial is going to be on textures. So let's go ahead, and this is going to be really easy. If we open up our MCP 1.1, here we have, and we go to Eclipse Client Bin, we see that all our textures are right here. Don't worry about the other textures, that's for another mods. I forgot to make different workspaces, so just don't worry about those. But as you can see, all our textures are right here, and we want them in separate folders like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a folder inside of our little Eclipse Client Bin, and we're just going to name it, like, when you navigate through here, you should see a start class and a net class. That will be in there, and you'll know you hit the right spot. But just right here where all your textures go regularly. So new folder, let's call it Blockium with a capital B. There we go. And let's click enter. Now let's highlight every single texture, and let's drag it into our Blockium folder. There we go. Now that looks a lot neater, doesn't it? So we have all our textures in here, and you can close this. But the next thing we have to do is every time you see add override terrain.png, whatever, here you're going to want to, before Blockium, you're going to want to add Blockium, because that's what we name our folder, and just simply do it like this. Blockium. Like this. Let me actually copy this. So, and then for every single texture you see, you're just gonna add that in, like simply like this. Where else do we have some textures? I just excuse me. I just know that I'm gonna have different errors because I forgot one little texture. So everywhere where you override a texture, make sure to just drop in a little Blockium. And I believe, whoopsies, I believe we have to do this in our Blockium monster too. So is that it? Looks like it. So let's go into our entities. Every entity you made, you're gonna need to also redo the texture. So entity Blockium monster. There we go. And simply add a Blockium to the PNG. Now this should work. I'm not sure. Let's hope it doesn't give us any errors. No errors, no errors, no errors, no errors. Sweet. There we go. Let's create a new creative world. And let's just check out all the different items, if they have the same exact textures, or maybe they're giving us some trouble and whatnot. So, come on. Alright, so if we scroll down, you see all our textures are still here, and there we go. We see our Blockium block right there. Now everything works exactly the same as was before, just now your mod file, or I guess your little mod folder is a lot neater. So let's get out of here. If we go back to MCP 1.1, you can see that instead of having all those different textures that you would have to, copy paste if you wanted to reobfuscate it, simply just one folder, copy paste, just, it's just easy. It's just easier. And I've been getting a lot of messages on how I do this because people see it in other mods. So this is it. It's a lot easier way to distribute your mods. So there you go. And that's all I got for today. Well, just for this episode. I'm going to actually record the next episode right now. So I know I haven't released one of these in a long time, but trust me, today's going to be a twofer. Alright, so yeah, Thanks for watching, and see ya!